How do I serve someone with divorce papers? You can't serve them yourself. So remember that. That's the first answer to this question. Sometimes people will say to us, well, give me the packet and I'll go serve them. I'll give it to them. So when you file for divorce in Florida, it needs to be served properly. And there's different aspects as to acceptance of service and things of that. But for purposes of this video, we're talking about service of process. And it needs to be by a process server that will then file an affidavit and provide that back. And with our office, William S. Foley, PA, we then file the return of service in your case to show that there's been appropriate service. And just the same, if there's an acceptance of service, we file that as well. So the return of service will state how it was served, whether it was served personally to the person named in the summons, or if it was substitute service by maybe somebody that resides there that's over 18. So, you know, there's different ways as far as a process server doing it or a deputy doing it as well, and a process server through basically the clerk's office getting it to the deputy in order to have them do process service. Our office uses private process servers to serve divorce proceedings, or, as again stated, acceptance of service a lot of times between attorneys or opposing parties signing off basically that that service is appropriate. But the quick answer to it is, again, it's not by in a divorce proceeding, and this isn't for any other area of law, no other civil type actions, nothing else, but it's through a process server or a deputy process server, not from, you know, basically you going up to the other side and saying, here you go, here's your papers.